Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our Class 6 Social Studies Chapter 15, that's name is Diversity in Our Society. This is related to our Andhra Pradesh State Board. So if you are looking for the keywords, question answers and project work, then this video is perfect for you, because in this one we are going to see the keyword answer and question answers. The first keyword is that diversity, colonial, okay na, culture, llama and patriotic. So here, if you are looking for the if you have a textbook, then take your textbook with yourself, because whenever you get any doubt or confusion, then it is going to be for you. Okay, right, so let's talk about improve your learning. So the first question is that mention any two examples that revolves diversity in your neighborhood, and here it is the answer. Okay na, here this is the answer. Here don't think this is something, this is just answer here. Okay na, this is the second question and here it is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. This is your third question and this is your answer. Okay na, because answers that was the missing, the word answer. Okay, right, so this is your fourth question and your answer is start from this side, like Sanskrit Urdu is questions. Okay, here it is. Right, is it quite easy? Right, so let's talk about fifth. In what way living in India with a rich heritage and a diversity added in your life? So here is your answer. Okay now, the first is given. Then after here sixth question and here it is the answer. Geographical factors are there, historical factors and connections. Okay, that's connection only. This is your seventh question and here is your answer. Okay, here is your answer. And this is your eighth question and that was your answer. All right, now this is your ninth question and this is your answer. Okay, food, myself, friend and this one. Okay na, once look at this in the graph, this one. Okay na, right, is it clear? Okay, so let's talk about this one. Okay, this is your last one here. Okay, so overall this chapter is totally completed. It is so very easy. Whatever in this one, everything is completed. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and if you have any kinds of doubt related to this one, so you can comment. And if you are looking for the mathematics solution with explanation, then in description there's a link, you can check out from there. Otherwise you can just go to our playlist and you can check out from there also. So let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.